and welcome to day 2 of the Advent calendar unboxing. So inside day 2, we have a TN notebook. So these notebooks are actually an A6 notebook, which fit A6 inserts, and you guys can include at least 2 inserts. If you have jump bands, you can include a couple more, so you can have at least 4 notebooks in here. But I just thought these would be fun to include in everyone's boxes for the Advent calendar. So they are made from hollow stars, and each color is different, so everyone has various colors. So this one is the lilac purple one, but there is also a pink one and a blue one. They're just different colors. I believe there's like 8 colors in total, so it just depends which color you guys got, because they are all random inside everyone's boxes. So make sure you guys take pictures of your planner and tag us on Instagram. So we'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3.